Hi children, good morning. Had your tiffin? Yes, I think you are eagerly waiting for the videos. Very good children here. So, yesterday's class we have learned about skeleton, is it? And pivot joint, that is the types of the joints. Pivot joint, hinge joint, and regarding that figures. And have you noted down what I have written on the blackboard? Yes, you will do children. Yes, very good. Then today's welcome to our session. So what is our topic? It's body movements. So yesterday we have seen the structure of the skeleton. So today let me go for the topic of rib cage. Where it will be present children? Here. This part will be having the rib cage. I can show the picture. Yes. So this is called as the rib cage. Let me see what do you mean by the rib cage. The rib cage is part of human body consisting of chest bones. So here we are having the rib cage. It will be very strong. It will be very strong. Our lungs and also our heart is protecting by our rib cage. It consists of 12 vertebrae. So 12 times I have written. So 12 vertebrae and 12 pairs of ribs and the sternum. You can count children. How many are there? You can count it. 12 pairs of the ribs we are having for our rib cage. The rib cage has the function of protecting the lungs, heart, esophagus, this pipe it is going to come now, that is esophagus, intestines which we are having in our stomach, intestines, trachea, here, nerves and also the lung, which the body it is present from here to here. Who is protecting for us? Rib cage. So, through the picture you can see the rib cage. Okay, and next let me go for the topic for the backbone. Where it will be present? Here, this part it will be present, that is connected towards to our skull. It is the head here, from here to here. So next topic is the backbone. Let me see children. Backbone. A backbone is a long, hollow, long one, rod-like structure. It will be like a rod from the neck to the hips, backside, from the neck to our hips. It will be very long. You can see the picture there. Is it? Can you see how much long it is having? Yes. Backbone is made up of 32 small bone placed one over the other. How many children? 32. Can you count? Yes, slowly you count it. You can note down the 32 small bones placed one on the other. These small bones are called as vertebrae. It provides support to the body and protects the spinal cord. And if you want to stand straight, it is going to protect us. If you want to bend, that only it will be helps for us. Back, whatever may be. So, it is going to protect our spinal cord. So, this is about our backbone. Next, let me go for our next. What is the topic we are having? It is, let me see, what is the topic? Okay. Next, it is our shoulder bone. This is our shoulder bone. Shoulder bone or pectoral girdle. We call it as pectoral girdle. The shoulder bone is formed by the collarbone and the shoulder blade. So, you can see the picture there children. I am showing the picture of the shoulder bone. There, it is formed by the collarbone and the shoulder blade. It is attached to the upper part of the rib cage. It is attached to the upper part of our rib cage and to the upper arm bone and to the upper arm bone. So which bone is that? It is the shoulder bone. And next one is pelvic bone. What's that? Pelvic bone. The hip bone forms a large. You can see the picture there. You are having the pelvic bone. The hip bone forms a large basin shaped framework at the lower end of the backbone, to which the legs are attached. Where the legs are attached, that bone only we call it as the pelvic bone. The hip bone is also known as the pelvic bone. What is that? The hip bone. Hips here. Down our stomach, the legs, the thighs, we call it as the hip bones, back side. The hip bone is also known as the pelvic bone. It is made up of number of bones fused together by the fixed joints. Which type of bone is that, children? It's the pelvic bone. Okay? Note down. Next, let me go for the another bone. Next, let me go for cartilage. Cartilage is also an important component of our body. When we touch our ear and nose, we will find it flexible. This is due to the presence of cartilages. This one's, children, here. What it is having for us, this part of the bones, we call it as the cartilage bones. See here, can you twist it? It is very smooth also. See here, this part. So, what type of bone here? It will be present. If you touch here, it will be very hard. Yes? So, but if you touch here and the nose part, see, it will be very smooth one. So, what type of bones we are having here? It's the cartilage. So, it is softer and more flexible than bone. It is very soft and flexible. Flexible means we can move like this. Can you move your bone like this? No, it will be very strong. But these bones are very soft and flexible. However you want, you can rotate it like this, we can do it. And this one also, we can do it. Then it is also found between the joints of knee and the hips. So to our knees and the hips also, we can see like this bones. What are those bones called? As the cartilage. Is it? Yes. So today we have learnt about the different types of the bones in this session. So tomorrow, one question, children. We are having this many types of the bones like rib cage, cartilage, pivot, this and that. What about for animals? And what about the creatures? Are they having the same the structure which we are having? Is it? Yes or no? Yes. So in the next class, let me learn how are the movements it is having for the other animals or other creatures. Okay? Get ready for the tomorrow's class. And today, what you have to do, children? You have to copy this and all in your homework notebook while you are coming to the class. You have to submit of this. Don't say, ma'am, you have not given the notes and I have not written that. Then the notes, what we have taught on the blackboard, that is very important for you. Okay? So, this cartilage, you can see the picture there. Okay? So, the picture, you can observe that on the screen. Okay? Thank you.
Is formed where two or more bones meet. Joints may be movable or immovable. Strong tissues called ligaments hold two bones together at a joint. Movement is possible at all the joints except in the skull. The different types of joints in our body are the ball and socket joints, the pivot joints, the hinge joints, and the gliding joints. The ball and socket joint is found in the hips and shoulders. It allows maximum range of movement. The pivot joint is found in between the first and second bone of the backbone. It allows the movement of head from side to side. Knee joint, elbow joint, etc. are called hinge joints. The hinge joint allows only up and down movements. The gliding joints are found between the bones of the backbone and allow only a very slight movement.